Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need Visual Studio with the C++ workload, and the library files ready. Once you have those, open or create your project and pick Debug or Release. Next, add include folders so the compiler can find headers. Choose Project Properties C/C++ additional include directories and add the path. Make sure to pick the correct configuration and platform at the top of the Properties window so changes apply where you intend. Once include paths are set, configure the linker so the linker can resolve symbols. Go to Project Properties linker, add the directory with lib files, then list the lib names under additional dependencies. If the library is header only, you can skip linking. For dynamic libraries, ensure the DLLs are available at runtime by copying them to the output folder or adjusting path. Alternatively, use explicit load library calls to control loading. Make sure build the project and run tests. Once done, a clean and rebuild will surface missing links or header errors. If you see unresolved externals, verify additional dependencies, library order, and that calling conventions and CRT settings match between your code and the library. If a DLL is missing at runtime, copy it to the executable folder or add its folder to path, and use a tool like Dependency Walker to inspect dependencies. Finally, make iterative small changes and rebuild to isolate issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.